Today,
we will be teaching you how to make Easter cake pops.
before starting this, wash your hands.
For this recipe, you will need cake mix of your choice, gel food coloring, sprinkles, fondant, candy melts, frosting, and skewers.
First, put your cake into the mixing bowl.
Turn your mixer to level 3.
Let it mix till it's crumbled.
Add scoops of frosting until it's moldable.
Now your cake mix should look like this.
Get a pan about this size. Take a scoop of your mixture, roll it into balls, and put it on your tray.
Once you have your desired amount of cake pops, put them in the freezer for 10 minutes.
While those are freezing, use fondant and icing to make bunny ear decorations. Once you take your cake pops out of the freezer, melt your white candy melts.
Once your candy melts have melted, stick your skewer in and one by one put them in the cake balls.
Put those in the freezer for another 10 minutes.
Now it's time to decorate.
Dip the cake pops in the candy melts and coat it evenly.
Use pink gel food coloring to make your nose and an edible food marker to make the eyes.
Glue your ears onto the bunny using candy melts.
Once all your cake pops are decorated, put them in the freezer for one last 10 minutes.
Now you have your completed cake pops. Now it's time to eat. Yum, yum, yum. Good.